Hey, this is Kate at Schafer Chevrolet here to show you the video of this 2007 Chevy Avalanche LTZ. Over to the driver's side exterior is in good condition. Do have some oxidization and rust starting around the wheel wells. Tires are in great condition. Looking up underneath the vehicle on the driver's side here. More to the front driver interior. A little bit of worn from people sliding in and out of the seat, but no tears or rips in the leather material. And in the rear driver interior, it is in good condition, has been well maintained as well. We've got a couple of scratches right here out the door. Looking up around the wheel well here. That's just dirt. Looking inside the bed of the vehicle, it is in good condition. And the passenger side exterior is also in good condition. Just got dirt right there. Let's look up underneath the passenger side here. Couple of scratches right there. And in the rear passenger interior, it is in good condition, has been well maintained. And in the front passenger interior, there are no tears or rips in the leather material. Again, this was a video of this 2007 Chevy Avalanche LTZ. Thank you for watching.